In this video, we will explain how to change the relay on a Winston 8000 series Collectramatic fryer. You will require the following tools to complete this installation. Begin by unplugging the unit from its power source. Uninstall the front panel by removing the 4 screws holding it in place. Next, begin the removal of the relay by removing the wires connected to the contact terminals on both sides of the relay. A flathead screwdriver is used to loosen the terminals. Remove the relay by uninstalling the 2 flathead screws securing the relay to the fryer. Finally, using a pair of pliers, remove the black and red wires attached to the coil of the relay. Begin the installation of the new relay by attaching the red and black wires to the coil of the relay. Next, reattach the relay to the frame of the fryer. Once the relay is securely in place, reinstall the wiring to the contact terminals. When reinstalling the relay wiring, ensure the same leg of voltage is running across the same terminal on the relay. As shown in this video, the black leg is running across terminals L1 to T1, white from L2 to T2, and orange from L3 to T3. Once the wiring is in the proper order, secure the wires to the contact terminals with a flathead screwdriver. Finally, ensure that no 2 wires of the same color are connected to the same heater terminal, then reinstall the front panel.